Hey guys, it is Tina's AI avatar with Remote Cleaning Boss. In today's video, we are breaking down exactly how a remote cleaning business really works. What if you could run a cleaning business without ever cleaning a single house? That is exactly what I have done for 20 years. Here is how it works. Most people picture a cleaning business as you, a mop, and a minivan. The remote model looks completely different, and it starts with one simple shift. Instead of doing the cleaning yourself, you build the machine around the cleaning, the marketing, the booking, the scheduling, and the payment systems. Step one is the phone. A client calls or books online, describes their home, and gets a price within minutes. No in person estimates ever. Step two is the match. You connect that client with an independent cleaning professional from your network who serves their area and wants that job. The cleaner runs their own business, their own supplies, their own methods, their own schedule. They accept jobs that work and decline the ones that do not. Step three is the clean itself. The professional arrives, does the work their own way, and the client gets a spotless home. You were never even there. Step four is the money. The client pays through your system, the cleaning professional receives their share, and the agency keeps its referral fee. That fee is the business. Multiply it across dozens of recurring clients, cleaning week after week, and the model really starts to compound. Recurring is the magic word here. One time cleans are fine, but scheduled weekly and bi weekly clients are where the real stability lives. So, what do you actually do all day? You answer inquiries, send quotes, coordinate schedules, solve problems, and recruit great cleaning professionals. And every single one of those tasks can be done from a laptop and a phone, from anywhere. That is what makes this model genuinely remote. I run markets in New York and Florida at the very same time from one desk. The system does not care what city you sit in. Now, for the honest part, this is not passive income and it is not easy money. It is a real business that takes real work to build. The hard parts are real, finding reliable cleaning professionals, keeping your clients happy, and setting the whole thing up compliantly from day one. That last one matters most. The line between referring independent professionals and employing cleaners is a legal one, and you must build on the right side. I covered exactly that in my last video, including the two government audits my model survived. It is linked below if you have not seen it. This is education based on my own experience, not legal or financial advice. Your results depend on your work, your market, and your execution. So, want to know if this model is even legal? That is the video on your screen right now. Start there, and I will see you inside.